We made a promise to the children of the world that we shall eradicate polio. And I mean eradicate, that polio shall be the second disease in humanity's history to be so eradicated. When we started, polio was maiming and killing 1,000 children per day in 125 countries. Today, white polio is endemic only in 2 countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And my dear friends, let me tell you this. Last year, we had only about 35 cases of white polio. So we are down from 1,000 cases per day to 35 in the whole year.
Over 2,000 students, so it has a capacity of 4,000, but 2,000 will actively use the lab. So you can see that one lab may not make a difference. We look forward to an opportunity to partnering with the local Rotary Club to put in place an additional lab over time. And I invite other partners and members to also consider supporting this school and schools around the district with this kind of need. This is the good that Rotary does.